Today's feature is how to teach the L sound. Start off by naming basic body parts, then name speech helper body parts.
Hand. Good job. Where's your nose? Where's your tongue?
Start with the L sound by itself.
Put your tongue up and do this. La, 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 la,
Name your
la.
sound.
Good
For L,
job.
we call it the singing
Make
sound.
a singing sound. La la la. La la la.
Use a mirror so your child can see exactly what to do with their mouth. Make sure they're using their tongue, not their lips, to make the L sound.
Good job.
Make some silly faces with your mirror to make it fun.
Wham.
Once your child has the hang of the sound, start using the sound in the beginning of simple syllables and words.
There's the lamb. La la lamb. Good. Can you put the lamb in the barn? Put the lamb in the barn. Bye bye, lamb.
Use the sound in simple
Say
words
bye-bye.
over and over as you play.
Bye